First, we want to go to the transactions weekly. Then we want to go into our filing cabinet. And we want to make sure we only have salary employees selected, or the employees we want to include. So we'll take my list here of all the employees I have selected, and this is too many people. So to change my selection, I hit remove all, and then I can pick the individuals I want to post this repeating time for. So I'm just going to take these two, and then these two are the only individuals I want now, so I hit OK. And now we have our little calendar here, and I'm just going to take whatever the salary is for the week. We're going to add in, and we'll take here a shift. So for her, it's going to be a 9 to 5 shift. And then I'm going to copy, and I can just paste this to each day here. Okay, that week's done. So then for Cam, I would do the same thing, just add it in for each day. But I also have the option here to copy the week. So since Cam is having the same amount of hours as Leslie, I can just copy the week and paste the week, and that loads in the hours. And of course, if he was working a different amount or had a different total, I would just enter in the different shift that would equal that. On the left-hand side, we also have the weekly total that this is producing. Next, we can go to the copy option, and this is going to allow us to copy this week here far into the future so that we don't have to enter this again until the weekly total changes. So first, I'm going to set the amount of times I want it to repeat, and I'm going to set this to go for a year. So I'm just going to put in 52, and then we have the days of the week. I'm just going to select all days of the week, and then we have the type of record we want to copy, and I'm copying time records, so I'm going to select time here and unselect schedule, and then we hit OK. And now that's done loading. So if I go farther in the future here, we'll go a month ahead or a couple months here. We can see we have these records here. So let's say in June, the salary hours change. All I would do is edit my week. Let's say they're going to work an extra half hour each day to equal a total of 40 hours for the week. I just adjust this to reflect that. And then we will just adjust each one here. Now that we have all these adjusted, we can go to copy. I'm going to tell it to copy another year. We also have it here set to overwrite. So this is going to overwrite what had been sent before. And starting from June 21st, it's going to have 40 hours for Leslie for the next year.